Racing just started. We have Guillermo. Break quickly at the start. King Theodore. Gavis Choice. Tibay ng loob. Tony moving up now on the outside is Windy Wind Lifetime. Then next online is High in Action. Ikaw ha, Secret of the West Racing secondless, while just in time is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Guillermo now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second now is King Theodore. Tony is racing in third, then followed over by Windy Wind. Tibay ng loob. Ikaw ha, down on the inside, then comes High in Action. Then next online is Lifetime, Gavis Choice, Secret of the West, while just in time is still racing in less than a part turn. Still two runners, party out for the lead. We have King Theodore now takes command, and on the outside Guillermo. Ikaw ha, now trying to get closer in third, and as they swing for home, we have King Theodore threatening danger. Now on the outside is Ikaw ha, King Theodore. Ikaw ha, moving up now on the outside to take the lead. It's now Ikaw ha, followed by King Theodore, and finally Ikaw ha, King Theodore. Tibay ng loob, Windy Wind, Tony, and Guillermo.